I'd be encouraged to have the field come up and not allow Junaid Khan a single. Shahid Afridi is still at the non-strikers end. Pakistan need 10 from 5. Here we go again. Ashwin round the stumps. Afridi is rushing in. He picks up a run. Now then, the scene may just change dramatically here. Afridi is on strike. Going for the sweep shot and done him with a good leg cutter. The carom ball bowling him. I'm sure the field will now shift for Shahid Afridi.
Don't forget Kohli's part in this. The big call he made for the 49th over.
Afridi makes room, goes up in the air. Has he connected? It's gone. It's six. Shahid Afridi. Unbelievable shot. What a strike under pressure. Indians can't believe it. Shahid Afridi is talking to Junaid Khan as if he's done nothing. Wow, now 3 from 3. Only Shahid Afridi can deliver such a punch. I'm sure it was a half hit.
It wasn't. It was a full hit. If it had been a half hit, it would have been in the hands of the fielder there. But only he could play that shot. Only he had the nerve to play that kind of a shot. Magnificent.
Alright, only one ball to go because it'll be 4 or out.
He goes again, goes big, that's up in the air. And it's six. Shahid Afridi, you beauty. What a win. Pakistan have snatched it. Shahid Afridi has done it. He has many a time stunned the world with his belligerent batting, and he couldn't have been better tonight. What striking under pressure. Unbelievable batting from Shahid Afridi. The entire team is out there. They can't believe it. India had it covered until Shahid Afridi came on strike, and well, he's won a memorable match for Pakistan.
Superb batting. He played it smart. He bided his time. And when Pakistan really needed it, he pulled some magic out of his pocket. Brilliant stuff, Afridi.
Yes. Only he could have done it. Only he could have won the match. Only he had the courage and the belief that he could hit those 2 deliveries for sixes. They weren't bad deliveries, but only Afridi could have done that, and he's done it for Pakistan once more. Magnificent stuff.
What hitting. Unbelievable strike for Shahid Afridi, and it's absolutely unreal what he produced in that last over. He had the heart and the power to play those big shots, and it's unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Here he goes. This was the winning shot. He knew that he had got it. Virat Kohli was hoping against hope that that would land in the lap of the fielder and long on. It did not. It sailed over. And Ashwin, even though he took this game from Pakistan by bowling out Saeed Ajmal in the last over, but it was Shahid Afridi's magic with the bat that saw Pakistan home.
He sliced it and he teased everyone till the end. 249 for 9.
Man of the moment. What a knock from Shahid Afridi. Absolutely everybody is stunned. What a dramatic finish to the game, and this is why Pakistan-India contest are so entertaining, so thrilling. Shahid Afridi finishing the game with a couple of big blows, 2 sixes, and it was done. Well, this is the upshot of the game. In fact, this is Pakistan innings, 249 for 9. Shahid Afridi remaining not out on 34 of just 18 balls. He's been criticized for not being consistent, but as we did mention on the day, if he gets it right, he does get it right, and he becomes a match winner.
And he played himself in. You've got to say that. Remember the first few deliveries, he just knocked around for singles because he has the ability to hit the big ones when it matters. Ashwin 3 wickets, Mishra 2 wickets, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar 2 wickets. But in the end, in the 50th over, Pakistan winning with 1 wicket in hand.
Shahid Afridi speaking with Gautam Gambhir.
That is a moment of magic, Shahid Afridi. What did you think when you walked out there to play?
First of all, I want to thank Mighty Allah. Obviously, without his help, nothing is possible. I was really under pressure because I didn't perform well in the last 2 games and I hit some bad shots as well. So, obviously, the expectation was a lot from me. And Alhamdulillah, I delivered on the right time, and we all know how important this game was for us.
The last 2 shots went boom, boom. That was normal, Afridi. Before that, you were playing with using your head.
Obviously, the captain always talking to me and saying that just go and take your time. So this time I tried to take my time, and I know the thing is that we all know how important this game for us, and especially whenever you're playing against India, it's always a great occasion for us, and I'm very happy.
Umar Gul had a lot to say to you in that partnership.
Yeah, Umar Gul was talking a lot with me, but the thing was that we want some singles as well because that was a runner ball, and we need a hit as well. So he really played well on the right time.
Tense moments, but this takes you forward to probably make you title favourites the way you're playing.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, we all when we came here, when we arrived here, so our goal was that we have to win this competition, and it's very important.